The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as the coronavirus, is an ongoing global pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome. This novel virus was discovered during an outbreak in Wuhan, China in December 2019. I believe everyone here has experienced the inconvenience caused by COVID-19. Physical classes have changed to online classes, quarantine, and various inconvenience of going abroad. After reviewing dozens of studies and having and recovering from COVID-19 myself, I have concluded some potential behaviors that may benefit you. So, there are several ways I'm going to tell you today to protect us from this serious pandemic. COVID-19 can be deadly. However, if we take some preventive measures, we can minimize the harm. First, I will show you COVID-19 cases in LA and tell you how the coronavirus may be transmitted. Second, I will tell you ways of how to prevent from getting COVID. So, why has the new coronavirus become so severe? So far, there have been around 3,200,000 confirmed cases in Los Angeles. First, as you guys can see, this is the daily cases of COVID in the past 2 years. In January 2022, the daily cases even reached up to 60,000. But when did the first case occur in Los Angeles? An increase in patients with coughs and acute respiratory failure at UCLA health hospitals and clinics starting in late December 2019 was found by UCLA researchers and associates who examined the electronic health records, indicating that COVID-19 may have been circulating in the region months before the first confirmed cases in the US was discovered. Since coronavirus are zoonotic, they may spread from people to animal, and between people, there are 3 basic ways COVID-19 spreads. Number 1, breathing in air when near a carrier of virus who is inhaling microscopic droplets and particles. Number 2, having these microscopic virus carrying droplets and particles contact with eyes, nose, or mouth, particularly through splashes and sprays caused by coughing or sneezing. Number 3, using hands to touch your eyes, nose, mouth, which have virus on them. Now that you know the basic ways that COVID-19 spreads, so we can better prevent us from getting it. Second, there are hundreds of ways to protect us and our families from this pandemic. Today, I prepared 3 ways to show you guys. Number 1, get vaccinated. There are 3 major benefits of getting the COVID-19 vaccine. First, the vaccine reduces your risk of infections. Your body starts manufacturing coronavirus antibodies after your first vaccination. If you are exposed to the virus, these antibodies help your immune system in fighting it, lowering your risk of contracting the illness. Second, the vaccine can also benefit your unborn baby or newborn. According to studies, COVID-19 vaccine recipients develop antiviral antibodies that can transfer to their unborn child via placenta. This means your newborn baby is born vaccinated. Third, the vaccine protects against severe illness. According to CDC, unvaccinated adults has a 3.5 times higher risk of being hospitalized than fully vaccinated adults. Number 2, wear a face mask. Face masks protect you and others. When an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks, respiratory droplets are released. But these droplets can be blocked by face masks. However, people who are infected with the virus might spread it to others before developing symptoms. So, public spaces with a large amount of people that are very dangerous without masks. Number 3, sanitize your hand. Germs are everywhere. Every time you go outside, you may bring the virus back home. So make sure the first things you do when you're back home and before you touch your eyes, mouth, and nose. Sanitize your hands. It is suggested to use an alcohol-based sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. As you've seen, there are many ways to protect us from COVID. To conclude, there are two main strategies to keep us safe. First, wearing masks in public space. Second, get vaccinated. Once you have following this strategy, you'll find out that not only you're not getting COVID, but you're already barely be sick due to these clean behaviors. I believe the pandemic is just temporary. As long as we keep caring for ourselves and the people around us, this will soon pass by. Thank you for listening.